Alright, what's going on guys? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video. Now, if you're coming from my unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, thank you. And if you haven't checked out that video, make sure to go check it out right up here. But anyways, today in this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Pixel 9 Pro XL Google official case. I picked up the Pixel 9 Pro XL in the porcelain color right over here. It looks like an iPhone. I gave my full first impressions in the video that's linked down in the description. But anyways, we need a phone case to protect an expensive phone. This thing ran me right around 1,500 Canadian dollars, and so I do not want it to break. Let's pop this right out here, and inside of it you can see that we have the case itself. So here it is. We're gonna set that box aside. You have a little pull tab right over here, and let's see if we could get this opened just like so. I realized that Google's stickers for their packages this year are pretty sticky. But anyways, here is the case itself, and straight out of the box, it looks so clean. Now, although being an Apple fanboy, I will say that the Google Pixel, like everything that Google does, and I've said it even last year with the Pixel 8, like their packaging and the way that they design their products really visually looks appealing. And so this is what it looks like. It feels like a silicone case from Apple. The inside is nicely clothed right over there. Nice and sturdy, matches the phone, nice shiny Google Pixel design right there. We're gonna pop it straight onto the case. Fits nice and snug. This is what it looks like from the front right over here. Very nice, very clean, very minimal. You have the borders right there, and it gives some camera protection, as you guys can see, like a very minimal bump, as well as a very small front lip right over there. But overall, it feels great in the hands. I do really like how sleek and minimal it looks like. On the right side, you have the power button as well as the volume right here. That is nice and metallic. It kind of matches the metallic over here on the camera frame, so very smart design. Same as the Google Pixel, they're all metallic, matching with the phone itself, and there you go. So it feels kind of slippery. The silicone needs to be broken into, but overall, one-handed usage, this phone being 6.8 inches, so it is basically 0.1 inch bigger than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I feel like I could get around with it pretty decently, getting used to the design, the feel of the phone, and so forth. So I will be making a full Pixel 9 Pro XL day in the life using this case as well, seeing how everything holds up. So if you'd like my full long-term review on this case, make sure to go check out that video that is coming soon. And overall, I just want to give a little, unboxing and first impressions of this case. Do I think you should pick it up if you're in the market for a nice, clean, simple, minimal case? You should. It ran me $49.99 Canadian dollars. It is on the more expensive side for cases, but it is still cheaper than the Apple official case for their iPhones. So it has been Alex from Techrific. Make sure to go check out my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and everything else, all my social media, my website, where I try my best to keep you guys up to date with the best in the tech. And until then, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.